Hi all, it's Steve O'Hare, and today I'm running through the technical analysis formations levels to watch. In oil, we're looking at WTI crude oil, and we're also looking at the Brent crude oil levels. Brent crude oil currently trading at around about a $3.60 premium to WTI crude oil. We'll start on the weekly charts and then come down. We've got this hanging man reversal formation that we've mentioned over the last couple of weeks, and this has been followed by last week's real indecision, posting a bit of a bullish hammer potentially, and then this has also led to slightly more positive price action this week. Let's go to the daily chart, and we can see we're still in this really nice looking bullish channel. Even a pullback to $52.50 on the WTI crude oil wouldn't negate the trend higher. We can see that bearish momentum is stalling, and we're potentially looking at further positive price action to follow. News out today: Saudi wants the OPEC plus nations to extend the oil cuts into June, from sources that is. So this would lend to a firmer price action again in WTI crude oil. So if we break it back and see what's happened over the 4-hour chart, a little bit more shorter term, we can see a bit of a head and shoulders formation, but also if you look closely as well, you see the opposite type of head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders formation on the even shorter term chart. You've got the left shoulder, right shoulder. So this again looks quite positive. We've got congestion this morning, but a break above the recent high at 62.20 should lead to an extension higher back into this nice upward channel. So quite positive on the WTI crude oil overall. Brent, very similar sort of picture on the weekly chart. Obviously, we've got a bullish hammer posted last week, a little bit clearer on this picture, a little bit of indecision this week. We've had spikes both ways. Obviously, we've got oil inventories out at 3:30 UK time this afternoon, so look out for those. On the daily chart, we're seeing a slightly more positive action, and again, the level to watch really from a daily perspective is 65.28. A break above there after yesterday's bearish engulfing day would mean that we'd probably get some stops flush out and potential for a move back higher. If that fails, then we really need to see a break of yesterday's low at 63.41 for the bears to take a little bit of heart from that and look to target a swing back. But for me, the technical picture is turning slightly more positive at the moment on the crude oil. Thanks for joining me. Look forward to speaking to you next week.